Hey everyone, I'm just going to give you some instructions on how to set up the asset bench model capper. First of all, we will get your cap, put it on in the finished position, put it under the capping head, loosen off the locking nut, screw the chuck all the way down till it starts to come down onto the lid, and then give it 2 more full turns, lock off the locking nut. While we're here, we'll get the trigger, we'll pull this out, pull that onto the container so it's in the initiated position, and then we'll lock this off. This is the upper stop position. We'll bring that down, we'll give that about 10 to 15 millimeters. That should give us the clearance to get the bottle in and out without catching. Get some air on. That's good clearance for the container. This at the back here is our timer or dwell. Obviously that's too long. Back it up a bit. That's about what we're after. The speed of the head coming down is a little bit too fast. We have the lower speed control. As you can see, that's slowing as we are adjusting. And the upper. I'll just give you an extreme version of that. You can see the speed at which it's coming up. Okay. We also have the torque setting over here. If the cap is spinning, over spinning or not tight enough, we'll just use this one here. I'll just give you a quick demo. You can hear the speed. That's more torque, less torque, less torque, less torque, no torque. So we'll just get that up again. I'll give the dwell a little bit more. Let's give this a go. Slowly push in, holding the jar at the bottom and the shoulder, pushing it in. A little bit more. And I'll back the torque off a little bit. And the door. And there you go. Some simple instructions for the setup of the asset model benchtop capper.